Hello YouTube, today I'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Blackweb Portable Battery with LED readout. I got this at Walmart for about 18 bucks. This here is the 10,400 milliamp capacity. On here it said that it can charge your phone up to 4 times, so we'll see if that's true or not, okay? Alright. Okay, so back here it says this power bank works with USB charge devices, including iPhone, iPad, Samsung, and other mobile devices. Okay. This has a LED display remaining charge in the power bank at the touch of a button, and this includes the micro USB charging cable. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, here you go. So as you can see here, the packaging is pretty simple. You got the power bank, you got the micro USB cable, and the manual. That's pretty much it. So here you go. Here's the micro USB cable, and then we have the power bank. So I think this power bank is pretty slim for a 10,000 milliamp capacity power bank. So this power bank is pretty solid. There's like a rubbery finish to the power bank. There's a button on the side. You press it, the LED status will pop up. So it's at 69% right now. And this power bank comes with 2 USB charging ports to charge your devices, and then 1 micro USB port to charge the power bank itself. Alright, so let me do a side-by-side comparison to my LG G5 cell phone. So they're almost about the same size. The power bank is a little bit shorter, but it's thicker. Alright, so I want to find out how many charge I can get out of this power bank. So I went and charged it to 100%, and I'm going to charge my Note 5 with it, okay? The Note 5, the battery capacity is about 3,200 milliamp. So I'm expecting to get at least 3 full charge from this power bank. Okay, there you go. I'll check back in a bit. Alright, so after an hour or so, the Note 5 is completely charged. The power bank went down to 66%, which I think is not too bad. I can probably get 3 full charge on my Note 5 if this power bank is 100% full. So yeah, for the price, it's not too bad. We'll just see how well this product will hold up. So if you like this video, please do me a big favor and click the like and subscribe button for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.